Arunachala as Lord Shiva's third eye, or the eye of knowledge, taking a physical form. The American and the English people have given a new name to Arunachala. They say, the mountain is very active within. Arunachala may look dumb externally, but don't consider Arunachala dumb. Arunachala may seem to be a heap of stones. But don't consider it so. Even after returning home from Arunachala, it works very actively within. The essence of the four Vedas is 1. Lead me from darkness to the light. 2. Lead me from ignorance to the knowledge. 3. Lead me from death to the immortality. Whether you read the Vedas from top to bottom or from bottom to top, this is the essence of the Vedas. It is Arunachala who bestows us with the essence of the four Vedas. It is said that you will attain liberation if you die in Kashi or if you take birth in Thiruvayur. But the birth and death are not within your control. It is also said that you will attain liberation if you visit Chidambaram. But one requires money to do the same. However, the Skanda Purana proclaims, mere remembrance of Arunachala will liberate you. A lawyer asked Bhagavan, is liberation so easy that one can attain it by the mere remembrance of Arunachala? Bhagavan replied, yes, it is the command of God that mere remembrance of Arunachala will liberate us. Who are you to question the same? You first try to remember Arunachala and then see whether or not it brings you liberation.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva. Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva. मध्यांतरहित चरित अरुणाचल शिवा अरुण किरणान्वित करुण शुभदा अरुणाचल शिवा आदि मध्यांतरहित चरित अरुणाचल शिवा अरुण किरणान्वित करुण शुभदा अरुणाचल शिवा महित मंत्रात्मक स्मरण भरित अरुणाचल शिवा रमण मौनामृत ज्ञान विदित अरुणाचल शिवा अग्निलिंगोद्भव सायुज्य सद्विद्य उपदेशक अरुणोदय कृतिक चंद्रोदय अद्वैत चैतन्य मणिदीपक शृंगप्रियाय अचलाचल नंदीश भृंगीश रजताचल अदृश्य मध्यांतरहित चरित अरुणाचल शिवा अरुणकिरणान्वित करुणशुभदा अरुणाचल शिवा अर्धनारीश्वरा सम्पूर्ण सम्पूज्य अवतारका सुरसेविता मुदित मुनिवन्दिता आत्मानुसन्धानयति पूजिता प्रणवस्वरूपा शशिशेखरा सर्वज्ञ सत्यार्थ शिवशङ्करा भस्माङ्गरा श्रुतिगेय आदिमध्यान्तरहित चरित अरुणाचल शिवा अरुणकिरणान्वित करुणशुभदा अरुणाचल शिवा महित मन्त्रात्मक स्मरण भरित अरुणाचल शिवा ज्ञान विदिता अरुणाचल शिवा।